From an injury standpoint, my client had suffered a pretty substantial injury to his lumbar spine. Now, the lumbar part of the spine is the lower back, and it can be especially debilitating, especially if you're working as, say, a chef, where you're on your feet for 8 to 10 hours a day. So after a course of chiropractic treatment and pain management injections really failed to alleviate his symptoms, he made the difficult decision to go forward with a surgical procedure called a discectomy. And I recall our conversations both before and after the procedure. Beforehand, I remember he was kind of nervous, but also understood the opportunity to get healthy again. And then we spoke a couple weeks after the procedure, and I could really hear the relief in his voice. Not only had that painful radiation that was going down his legs disappeared, but he also could work again, he could play with his children again, and he was generally in high spirits. So the first part of our goal had been accomplished. The client was healthy again. At that point, I then made a demand on the insurance company, and after negotiations, I managed to get the client a settlement in excess of $200,000. And this was notable and really stands out for me, not only as being one of my first large settlements, but also it kind of summarized that unique relationship that we develop with the clients. When you first meet the client, they're at a low point, they're having pain, they're frustrated, they don't know what to do. And then you get to the end of the case, whereas here I was handing him a check that properly compensated him for his injuries and his pain and suffering. And I remember him telling me that my back has never felt better, and it just feels so good to be able to work and play with my children again. And it's moments like that and cases like the one I just described that really make me enjoy what I do here at Frankl Kominsky.